4 Bs.
No.
2 Bs are heading on Anthem of the Sea. Seas, Anthem of the Sea. It's time for a party cruise. We've got the key, we've got the secret. Let's jump on board. 3, 2, 1.
Right, describe that check-in
I don't even feel like I've checked in. It was that quick.
compared to MSC last month. Ridiculous.
We were straight through security, straight through to check-in. 5 minutes. Would have been quicker had Tom got his passport number correct. So yeah.
Cheers, welcome along. This vlog is the 2 Bs. So we have Rachel and myself, Tom. The small Bs are in school and they're looked after by grandma. So this vlog is going to be all about the bars and the entertainment on a party cruise. So this cruise is a 2-night cruise till Le Havre. We're not getting off. We're going to experience it all. And these are known as the party cruises at Southampton. You don't normally get a drinks package, but they put it on by mistake. So we're going to show you all the places, all the bars, and we'll do a little mini bar crawl. Where have we started, Rachel?
So we are currently in the solarium. So we come here because it's a really good spot for a sail away. We've got Virtuosa straight ahead of us. So she will be going off before we do, so we're quite cool to watch her go. So we are, well, got no one to please but ourselves.
What drinks did we start with?
So I went for a passion fruit spritz. I had to get some more Prosecco because it was a little bit too syrupy.
We're going to start in the solarium. It will be a slow start because it's going to be the same bar literally for the next afternoon to watch a bit of sail away. But don't worry, it'll fasten up later on. So this is bar number 1. Are you ready to join us as we go bar crawling on a 2-day party cruise on Anthem of the Seas? Are you ready?
I'm ready. Not sure my liver is.
So good luck. Let's join us. And as of course, with every bar, we've got to say, cheers. So how's the bar crawl going?
Only really one bar.
Yeah, we've just been in the solarium because it's busy on board. But so how many drinks are we down? We had a key lunch and we had about 1 and a bit buds, and you had. Yeah, then we came in here and we've had 2 cocktails, 2 buds. So do not fear. I know you've been sat waiting for the rest of the bar call. It will start. We are, which isn't choke. We'll be heading shortly on the bar call in about a couple of hours. But in the meantime, we're just going to watch the sail away. So enjoy the sail away. Any more comments?
Enjoy the sail away. I'm I'm feeling a bit merry already.
This could be a slow bar call.
It could be a very short, slow bar.
So we'll see you at the next bar. Maybe, or could we still be here? Oh, is that good head? Is that good head?
Not
average.
a very good head.
So number 2. Well, number 4, but number 2 in our call. Same time. Bye.
Dreadful dinner. Well, not a dreadful dinner, but not. Well, it was quite balanced actually. Broccoli, some stir-fried pak choy, some top-sider beef, and chips. There's only chips because I didn't see the other potatoes.
But no, the buffet's right, isn't it?
Yeah, no, really good.
We'll pop the in now, all the buffet that we've got tonight, and we've continued with our drinks. Are we getting value for money out of our drinks package, Rachel?
I would say we probably had over 7 drinks so far today. And we paid £72.
We will continue.
I reckon we've had good value.
We'll tuck in, get some food, and then we'll be back at our next venue.
Our next venue, so we have gone to Brass. Can't lift it, Rachel. Brass and Bock, which is. This is the English, sort of Irish type pub on board. It's quite big. It's nice, isn't it? We didn't go here last time. 4 nights we didn't go. They do food as well, but it's an extra charge. And they're going to have some live entertainment as well. So it's a nice place. I imagine a lot of people are eating at the moment, or they're in a show, because it's quite quiet. And this is going to be busy later on. But I've gone for rum and coke. And Rachel's package is beating her at the moment, and she's gone for a coke. Oh, good though. Cheers. We'll see you at the next venue.
We have now made it to the 710 Club, and Spectre's Cabaret is about to start soon. So we've come in here for a drink. I'm back on the alcohol now.
And we'll show you, we got this from a pop-up bar, didn't we? There's plenty of pop-up bars. So we'll show you now the pop-up bar that we went to. Approved?
So we've reached a new venue for our drinks. Rachel's happy. She's got what have you got? She's found her espresso martini. She's happy, but she can't work out how to pay the money. So we're going to do some gambling. Just enjoy Spectre's Cabaret. This is our 5th venue, 6th venue. Who knows? But we're in the casino now. Day 2, welcome along. So Rachel, say hello. So we've just done day 2, so we had breakfast, which was nice in the solarium before it got really busy. Really busy. But that was nice. And then we've just done the Disney quiz. How did we do?
18 out of 23.
Did we win?
No, but the winner only got 21. So.
That's true. Yeah, so we were close. We chilled out for a bit. I finished my ship tour. It's looking good. And now we're going to go to a Harry Potter quiz. How good are you at Harry Potter?
Not very good.
I'll give you a question. Name the first film.
Philosopher's Stone.
There we go. Let's hope that is the first question and we got one right. So we're going to head to, what do we call it?
Well, we kept calling it the 710, but
It's not the 710, it's the 270. And we're going to do a midday thing, and we've got Jamie's coming up. What else we got coming up today? Oh, and we're going to do the rest of the key stuff as well, so let's do that. So here we go. I'm going to test the Harry Potter quiz. Good luck. I'll give you another question. Name his girlfriend.
He doesn't have a girlfriend until the end.
Oh, okay. How you doing on the Harry Potter quiz?
Haven't got any. So what
There we
comes
go.
out of Harry's Potter?
What are the last names of Draco Malfoy's two best
He
friends?
said wood, Harry Potter's. These are difficult. I bet you know. I bet you. We'll tell you in a minute. I bet you someone gets all the crap.
Draco Malfoy's two best friends.
If you're a Harry
Remember?
Potter fan, yeah.
Sorry, the skinny
What is
one,
the last
that's
name?
Those ones.
Of
I know you
Draco
know, I know you know.
Malfoy's two best friends.
I
Anyone
don't
know?
know their first names, so.
No.
That's number 8. Number 9.
We'll let you
Here
know
we
in a
go.
minute if someone got top mark.
What?
So we are day 2. It's morning. We're making the most of our drinks packages. Second cocktail. It's 12:30. We've done 2 quizzes this morning. We did a Disney quiz.
You were good at that.
Tom said I would be rubbish, but actually we got 18 out of 23.
It was actually a Disney quiz with a couple of extra.
Yeah, it wasn't a Disney quiz at all. It was
Animation.
an animation quiz. The only one I think everyone struggled on was Oswald, the rabbit. Never heard of it before. And then we have just sat and done a Harry Potter quiz.
You're rubbish.
We were really, really shocking. In fact, we just gave up on answering the questions because we had no clue about any of it.
Actually, on the screen now, I'll pop some of the questions on now. There you go. There's some of the questions. You know these questions.
But some people are real hardcore Harry Potter fans, and they got 20 out of 20. And for how hard these questions were,
Oh, Harry Potter fans got like a name, a group name. Are they like the Potters or? Then let us know.
the Nimbus.
Yeah. But yeah. So breakfast this morning was good. Windjammer was packed, but we expect that from a party cruise, didn't we?
Yeah,
But it was crazy packed.
really, really busy.
So we went to the solarium. That was my idea, wasn't it?
It was, so yeah, we went down to the solarium, we got a table straight away. The food was pretty much the same, obviously, a much,
Karma.
no, I'm talking about the food.
Oh,
So there obviously wasn't as much choice as the Windjammer, but there was plenty of choice there for
Kids can
anything
go
we
in there as
wanted.
well.
Yeah, kids can go in. And then literally we sat down for about 20 minutes and en masse everyone came. And I did hear the lady behind us actually said that the Windjammer had said, go downstairs to the solarium, or upstairs to the solarium, which way is it?
level. Along.
Oh, okay. And that they could get breakfast there. So then it all of a sudden got really, really busy. But we'd finished by that point. So
No,
it
the
was
problem
fine.
is though, is the hours went forward as well, so we lost an hour. And the problem is that the buffet and the solarium and all the other eateries are really, really quiet for a few hours, and everybody on the ship wants to go at the same time, especially on a bit like a 2-nighter. So I'm not really sure there's much else they can do, so we've just got to wait, and they really. But it was a really nice breakfast, wasn't it?
Yeah, and we are going to Jamie's for lunch.
Yeah. And hopefully the sun comes out and we enjoy it. This is a really unusual port day, and we always advertise, don't we? Stay on for 1 port or 2 ports because it's really quiet, but because it's a 2-night cruise, everyone wants to make the most of it. Not many people have got off, so it's a busy.
It is a booze cruise.
But it's coping. It's coping.
There are a few kids on board, but not very many.
I would say it's coping well.
Yeah.
Yeah, really, really good. So we're going to enjoy more of our Bombay Bash. And coming up next, we're going to show you what we had in Jamie's Italian, which is a bit unusual because there's not any Jamie's in the UK anymore, is it?
No, it's not. We were just having this discussion actually. We've only ever eaten in a Jamie's Italian once in Dunwharf.
Do you think Jamie will cook our meal? Oh, serve us? Is it time to go?
Bye for now.